Do you think your age can determine whether or not you can get a dental implant? There are 5 million implants are placed in the United States, according to the American Dental Association. All the research and data are showing that you can't be too old for dental implant, but you can be too young. That's interesting. Let me explain to you why. My name is Dr. Obeid. I am a prosthodontist. I specialize in implants and cosmetic dentistry, and I practice in Chevy Chase, Maryland. Old age by itself is not a contraindication for dental implants, regardless if it's a single or multiple implants. You can't be too old for dental implants, but you can be too young. Let me explain. Teeth are surrounded by ligaments, and they move throughout your lifetime. Implants, on the other hand, they're bonded with the bone directly, and they don't move. The jawbone continuously grows until age 18 in girls and 21 in boys. And when you place an implant on a growing child, it will not move with the teeth, causing an anesthetic result. So if you're a child and you have a missing tooth, whether genetically or by an accident, our goal is to help you until you finish your growth with some non-invasive procedure until you reach the age where you can safely have an implant or a permanent restoration. I developed with our in-house lab a technique where you can get an all-ceramic transitional Maryland bridge that will require no grinding, and it will be bonded to the teeth and cannot be removed. Now, if we are looking for a more robust alternative approach, we can use porcelain fused to metal, a transitional Maryland bridge, and we can take these bridges on and off. If they come out, they can be rebonded pretty easily. When a child comes in and they are missing a tooth at a young age, our job is to help them with a transitional appliance until they reach the proper age where we can put the permanent restoration. But each case is unique, so please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact the office and set up your complimentary consultation. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.